Guys, I'm going to be showing you how I made this morning love box. So firstly, you're going to need a scissors, a sellotape, your cash, and the box itself. So firstly, just cut your sellotape into small sizes for easy picking and all. So then roll your cash, just roll it and just apply or put the sellotape on it, just like I did. So that's it. So repeat the same process for every of the cash. So I was done here, but the money wasn't enough. So I had to unroll and re-roll almost every cash back. I had to re-roll it. So that's what I'm just doing here. Oh my god. So it's done here now. So you just arrange the money into the box. Just arrange everyone. So now you see I rolled it bigger. It's bigger now. So it fits perfectly. So there you have your money box. And it went out with this very cute cake. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.